Hi, welcome to 11 Paz once again. So today we are working on design 10 and we are working with seed beads. So yeah, I'm just drawing out a design because this design mostly is used to trace out patterns or outlines. So I pick 4 beads, lay it down on the design, on the outline. Pass your needle and thread down to the back, then come to the side of 2 and go inside the 2 at the top. You pick another 4 beads again, just like you did for the first time. Push it down, lay down, then come to the side of 2 once again. You keep doing that till you get to the ending of the design. That is just entirely what you'll be doing to trace out the design. Some people take 6 and divide by 3, but most of the time it depends on the bead side, because by the time you use a bigger bead and you pick 6 to divide, it might not sit properly just like you want. So I take 4 and divide by 2 most of the time. So this is how I trace out all these designs. You will see the last picture on the last slide. Just how I fill up the design. You can see it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.